Tired of your WhatsApp marketing efforts feeling like shouting into the void? This video will show you how to create targeted campaigns in Aisensy that actually get results. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the campaigns section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the Create Campaign button to start building your first targeted campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name, something that will help you easily identify it later, like summer sale, promotion, or new product launch. Now, let's define your audience. Aisensy allows you to segment your contacts based on various criteria like tags, custom fields, or even past interactions. Choose the segment that best suits your campaign's goals. Next, craft your message. Use Aisensy's personalization features to add a personal touch, such as addressing your contacts by name. This will significantly improve engagement. Consider adding an image or video to make your message more visually appealing. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Schedule your campaign to be sent at the optimal time for your audience. Aisensy allows you to specify the date and time for delivery. Review your campaign details one last time to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button. Finally, track your campaign's performance. Aisensy provides detailed analytics on delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns for maximum impact. That's it. You've just learned how to create a targeted WhatsApp marketing campaign with Aisensy.